Hi guys! Welcome to my another food vlog, and for today's video, I just wanted to share with you all that we will try this Sushi Marami. It's located at R8, 2nd floor, Eaton Tower, 128, De La Rosa Street, Makati City. If you're looking for Anli Hot Pot, Anli Sushi at the same time, Anli Drinks, what are you waiting for? Visit them guys. They have affordable and delicious Japanese food like hot pot, sushi. By the way guys, you can experience this every day for only 699 per head, and 5 years old below is free, and time limit only is 1 hour and 20 minutes. By the way guys, you can try this delicious sushi for those who loves to try sushi. And by the way guys, mag-ready kayo kasi ang lalaki ng sushi nila, no joke. Pero anli to, and then the hot pot, ang sarap guys. By the way, they are so good. You can try it and then visit them guys, as in. And then the server, the chef is so accommodating, and they are so kind to ask us if we need help like that. And then palagi sila nagre-refill kapag alam nilang wala na yung mga food. By the way guys, you can experience the pancit, the Anli Hot Pot, and then there is it guys. Promise guys, hindi kayo magsisisi na try nyo dito. Sobrang affordable for 699 Anli. Saan pa kayo? And you can experience this guys. Kung hindi man kayo makapunta ng Japan, dito sa Pinas, mai-experience nyo siya guys. So cool. Yung tinatawag nyo lang parang umaandar na sushi. And ayan guys, ayan ako habang kumukuha ng pang hot pot, and I love odeng, and then the beef, it's so good guys. And then pipili lang kayo dyan kung ano yung gusto nyo ilalagay sa hot pot. And then kumuha din ako ng tempura, anli din yan guys. And then fries, ang sarap ng fries nila guys, promise ma-enjoy nyo. And then ayan lang. And then ayun din, kumuha din ako ng iba. Madami kasi sila iba't ibang klase ng mga pagkain dyan, like fried chicken. And then kumuha din ako ng pasta, and then ng pancit. As in guys, sulit. Hindi ako nagbibiro. Promise guys, worth it. I-try na din guys for only 699 again. And then yun guys, self-service kasi dito. Pero pwede naman kayo magpa-help sa mga chef and then sa server. And then ayan guys, sa bawat table meron kayong ganyan. And ayan guys, yung nagluluto na kami ng pang hot pot namin, beef, and then odeng. By the way guys, I just wanted to share with you all. Ayan, it's so cool kasi na-experience ko to. Palagi ko to napapanood sa mga vlog, and I'm so happy na na-experience ko yung ganyan and makita siya in person. Yung ganyang sushi. It's so cool. Promise guys, ang lalaki ng sushi nila and ang sarap for 699. Thank you! Hope you enjoy my vlog. See you next time again. Ciao! Bye-bye. Love, love.